Hello guys, this is Learn with HNG. This is just a basic overview of Slack, how you can make the most of the workspace so that you do not get confused. Currently, once you get added to Slack, my view is going to be a little bit different because I am an admin. I'm OVA Paul EJ. Pleasure to meet you. So you get added to the workspace and you get to the default channel, which is the general group. You get here and you can immediately see currently there are 6,933 people. To view the people, you can click that. You'll be able to see a list of everyone here. And once you see people with this blue icon beside their names, their mentors, and feel free to reach out to any one of us. I'm OV Paul EJ. We'll be more than happy to assist you with anything that we can. You could quickly catch up to the important things by clicking the pin message. Pin message is right here. Once you click it, you can see the drop down menu, and here, if you click anyone, you get to see the most important things. A lot of the important messages are here on the general channel, and then you could scroll through to get it. On Slack, you have your main feed right here, as you can see, and once you reply directly here, you get to reply in the main feed. And once anyone says reply in thread, what they actually mean is that you should reply to a particular message. So how you do that is highlight on the message, and once you click on reply to thread, you then reply under that particular message right here, and it's under the thread. Awesome. So you have that unlocked. As you can see, Slack has three basic windows. This panel right here is the one where you get to navigate the different menus, and this is main feed, and here you have a sub feed where you could see a thread or any other thing you navigate. Okay, so now let's talk about channels. Now channels are like subgroups in the workspace, and to get into important channels or channels that you may need, you go to your channels here. Why you can see these channels is because I'm an admin and we have locked channels which the learners will get to at different stages depending on how you progress through this class. Now, to look at channels which you can join, you can join a locked channel unless an admin invites you in. To look through channels which you can join, just go to channels and you will see all the channels that are created. Locked channels would not be visible to regular users. So to join a channel, you simply just click on it. Let's say a channel that I'm not in. Let's see subgroups. And I get there and I can preview the channel, see what's happening, and I join channel. As soon as you join channel, you could see the information, the number of people here. You can check out the pinned tweets just to catch up on the most important things, and then you would see a description here. Please do not edit this for important things. Next thing is the DMs. Now to DM a person, you simply could just search for that person. Let's just say I want to search for the main boss in the building. I see him here. So click on him, and here I have a message. I can send him a message and it will go directly to his inbox. And the number of people I DM would pop up here and keep on sending, and you would see the list of everyone you have DM'd below here. You could also send yourself private messages to keep important notes and say, I want to keep this, and it saves just for you, and that's your personal archive. Okay. Other things to note about Slack that are important to you. So if you reply to a thread or you ask an important question and the mentor or any of your community helpers reply to you, you will get the feedback directly here in threads. So right now, if I click on threads, I can see everything that I replied to and people who have replied under that. Okay, so all on Reds also, you could go there and instead of going to each channel one by one, you could just scroll through the all on Reds to get the full gist of the message. So don't get overwhelmed by being in a channel that has a lot of messages, because a lot of people are trying to ask and to navigate, and a lot of things are coming, and you probably wouldn't be able to read all the messages. Important thing, get in touch with a few people, be familiar with a few mentors that you could always reach out to and ask for updates. But most importantly, stay to where the announcements are. As long as you're good with the announcements, you're good to go for the rest of the class. The classes are just getting started, so you haven't missed out on much, and you can catch up at any point. Feel free to buzz up the mentor, grow a community, and happy learning.